Today is 3rd July. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Amocare has secured $400,000 in a pre-seed funding round called by FAD Network and Angel Bay Holdings. Founded in 2023 by Prabhat Maheshwari, Amocare offers premium intimate wellness products with a focus on natural solutions. Its products range from personal care to intimate hygiene, catering to holistic wellness needs. Watch Your Health has raised $5 million in a series round called by Cornerstone Ventures and Singapore-based Conquest Global. Co-founded in 2015 by Rathish Nair, Abhitosh Pandey, Jay Patel, Prachi Shinde, Prasanth Prabhakaran and Ashok Nair, Watch Your Health serves in business-to-business, B2B, space and helps insurers and pharmaceutical companies to enhance the experience and improve the engagement with their customers. The fresh funds will be used to scale its operations and expand the user base both domestically and internationally, and enhancing the company's technological infrastructure and platform capabilities, Watch Your Health said in a press release. Purple has raised approximately $120 million in a round led by a wholly owned subsidiary of Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, ADIA, with participation from other investors. The Manish Tanejalit company is primarily a marketplace but also sells its own labels such as Good Vibes. The company serves the beauty needs of customers in Tier 2, 3 and micro markets, expanding beyond metro cities. Fabriclore has raised $1.6 million in a new round led by Peer Capital and Regal Fabrics. Founded in 2016 by Vijay Sharma, Sandeep Sharma and Anupam Arya, Fabriclore provides made-to-order fabric solutions including fabric discovery, design, dyeing, printing, and quality inspection, all at a single point of contact at Lower Moquest to D2C fashion brands and multi-brand retailers. Comet has raised approximately $5 million in its series round led by Elevation Capital. This is the first round of investments for the Bangalore-based company in 2024. Founded in July 2023, Comet is a homegrown, lifestyle sneaker brand for both men and women which sells its products through its website. Its current portfolio includes Comet X, Aeon, and Slides. Wi-Fi has raised 25 crore rupees in a funding round led by Mount Judy Ventures and existing investor Capria Ventures. It also saw participation from Bloom Founders Fund and other existing investors. Founded in 2019 by Sharma and Deepanshu Goyal, Wi-Fi is in the business of on-site installation and post-purchase services to businesses and brands. Explore new categories and boost capacity building, software and technology enhancements. Koshio has secured 6.5 crore rupees in a pre-seed round led by Antler, 8i Ventures and Our Bank. Founded by Ankit Acharya, former senior executive, Namma Yatri, Bounce and Bounce Infinity, and Pranjal Nadani, former senior engineer, Virtualness, Dream 11 and Urban Company, Koshio is addressing safety concerns within India's mobility and transportation space through its cost-effective video telematics products such as customizable dash cam devices and an AI-powered operating system. Bike Bazaar has raised approximately $3 million in debt from MAS Financial. This is the first debt round for the Pune-based company in 2024.